brushing your teeth just got more convenient with these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked up these. They are for brushing your teeth. Now, what's interesting about this is that brushing your teeth is probably not super inconvenient, but you do have to find the toothpaste. Who took it? Where's it at? And then you have to take off that cap there, and then you have to squeeze it on your toothbrush, and then you've got to hold that toothbrush hold it in your mouth, and you put the cap back on, and then you put it back in the holder. Well, something like this might make it a lot easier to dispense your toothpaste. Now, this is actually a 2-pack of toothpaste dispensers here, and I thought I would check it out because I've never had anything like this. And I thought, well, when you're getting tired, you're ready to go to bed, you want to brush your teeth, you don't want to fumble around with stuff, well, maybe something like this will make it just that much easier. Now, first of all, this is all plastic. It's actually pretty light. I think it's meant to mount to, say, the glass mirror in your bathroom or maybe the wall. Looks like right here we have a double-sided sticky tape. It has a little plastic right there. It looks very sticky. Very sticky. All right, I'm just going to leave it there until we go ahead and mount this. And then we have this blue plastic housing. Now, you can actually get this in a few different colors from what I saw. But what's interesting about this, it has a little modern look. But at the top here, we have this little receiver. And I can tell you, it's like silicone. It's actually kind of soft. And I think, actually, what we do here is we just twist your toothpaste bottle. You take off the cap and you twist that threaded end right in there. So I don't feel any threadings. I think it's just the silicone that will hold on to it, and that'll create a watertight seal, hopefully. And when you get your toothbrush out, you put the bristles up here and you push in on this little door right here. Now, I'm not exactly sure how it pumps the toothpaste out. I don't see anything that's squeezing it. I don't feel any suction here. So I'm kind of thinking, man, will this actually work? But you can see it has quite a bit of travel. It seems to go back almost an inch. So you put your toothbrush in here, push it, and then supposedly it will dispense toothpaste right on the top there, and then you will have your toothpaste. So I can just go into the bathroom and brush my teeth and be done with it and not have to worry about where the toothpaste is. Now, you do get a second one here for a second person, but it might make brushing your teeth more convenient, maybe even a little fun. So let's try it out and see if it works. Now, one thing that I realized here is that many toothpastes these days come with these little flip tops, and that's not going to work. So you need the old school threaded toothpaste nozzle, and then I think you can push it in here and twist it in. So I don't totally get this, but what I think it does is it just opens up the toothpaste and kind of lets gravity do the work. So you can see I've got some out there, but when I push it in, it opens it up and then dispenses a decent amount. And I'm kind of curious how it does that, but it seems to work. So, all right, that's like 3 pushes. It takes a little bit to get it started. You have to kind of prime it with, I don't know, a dozen pushes before stuff starts to come out there, but definitely seems to be working. I don't know that it's just gravity. I think it's kind of creating some sort of suction, but pretty cool. It seems to work. I actually didn't expect it to, but you do need to use one of these old style toothpaste tubes, but there it is. Pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever things to be.